Good evening, everybody. My name is Tim Static. Thank you for joining me today in this presentation of the flyers that we created for Peace for All, the organization that we are focused on eliminating racial prejudice. For our flyers, the two areas that we're going to focus on is a flyer that we created for the United States of America and a flyer that we created for India. Now, one important aspect of this flyer is the lines that we use throughout the design. And according to graphic design expert Robin Landa, thin lines give an impression of delicacy and gentleness, which is what we want to present when we talk about racial prejudice. So you can see the outlines of each of these of the text are very thin between both flyers. The outline of peace, for example. Additionally, diagonal lines are pleasant and stimulating to the eye, also from Robert Landa. So we have our word caring and loving at a diagonal. We go back over to our flyer for the Western culture, the United States of America. We can also see the curved lines that we use in our organization name, Peace for All. Curved lines tend to give off a playful and graceful quality. Curved lines seem more flexible and graceful to viewers. So once again, we want this to be an inviting, welcoming, and happy flyer for both cultures to view. Now, some other important aspects of this are going to be the colors that we used. So for the flyer for India, Peace for All text, we use the color orange. So according to marketing specialist Frank Schwab and Kimberly Kaufman, the color orange in India is the most sacred color that stands for purity and courage. So we're going to be courageous, we're going to be pure in eliminating racial prejudice. When we go back over to the Western culture for the United States of America, Peace for All is in green, and that represents spring, new birth, regeneration. So let's start over, refocus, and let's focus on peace. Additionally, in both of these flyers, we can talk about balance and contrast. So balance, you see the doves on both flyers. This represents a universal sign of peace. We have the globe in the middle, one representing India and then the other representing the United States. And then on the bottom, we have children shaking hands. And in the India flyer, children are giving the sign of Namaste, which is the formal greeting of respect in India. So everything's equally spaced for an equal balance, and then the pictures that we used are universally representative and vary based upon the region that we're focused upon. When we talk about contrast, we can talk about once again the colors that we're using. So we have the contrast of the orange, the white, and the red, and then the blue background for India. And for the United States of America flyer, we have the green with the yellow, with the white, and the red as well. Okay, one final highlight I want to make, once again from Robin Landa, a graphic design expert, is the placement and alignment of graphic elements, as well as the space in between them, will facilitate the visual hierarchy, directing visual communication through the arrangement of all graphic elements according to emphasis. So you can see between both flyers, we have the globe in the middle, followed by the children, and then the peace doves on either side, as well as our text, Peace for All, Caring and Loving. So it's all organized in a manner. Right away, you see the globe of what flyer area is represented, and then Peace for All, our organization name, is clearly seen between both flyers.